Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through a sneak peek of our Adore Your Core classic routine. Now, this classic abdominal series is going to strengthen your entire powerhouse, working on both the rectus abdominals, the transverse abdominals, the internal and external obliques to give you complete core strength. Now, all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. We're going to start our workout the traditional way with our traditional warm-up exercise, the Pilates hundreds. Now this gets the blood pumping around the body. The arms act like a manual heart pump to really get us warmed up and get that blood flowing. So let's start right in the center of our mat. And you can choose several different levels for this exercise. Now the option is to always lower the head down on the ground. Level 1, you're going to bring your legs up into a tabletop position and squeeze the legs together to really get that inner thigh engagement, which connects with the pelvic floor. The abdominals are pulled in and the head will stay down. If you want to come to the next level, you can tuck your chin in, lift up and bring your arms just above your pelvis, reaching with those fingertips and drawing the shoulder blades down the back. If you want to go even further, reach the legs nice and long, turn the toes out and squeeze the heels together. Let's pump the arms. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Good, inhale, pumping those arms, reaching with those legs, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, pumping the arms between the knee and the pelvis, exhale. Chest is nice and open, breathe in. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 4 more breaths. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, reaching nice and long through those legs. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, one last time. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hug your knees in, lower your head down. Now we're going to stretch our legs all the way along the mat, nice and long, reaching through those legs, lengthening and pulling in through that powerhouse. Now level 1, we're going to reach our arms above our shoulders, tuck the chin in, pull the abdominals in, reach up and over. You're going to reach behind your thighs. You're going to scoot, reach up and over, and lengthen all the way out. And then with control, reaching all the way down, stretching down and into the mat. Now if you want to come to the next level, keep those arms reaching in line with the shoulders. Lengthen up and over and stretch. And then with control, stretching all the way down. 4 more like this. 4, reaching up and over and stretching. And then lengthening down and into the ground. 3 more. 3, scoop, hollow. And then with control, lengthening down and into the ground. Good, just 2 more. So really drawing that navel up and in, lengthening up and over, stretching. And then scooping, dropping those shoulders, melting all the way down. Try and keep your heels in the one spot. One last time. Reach up and over, stretch. And with control, sink all the way down and into the mat. Now if you enjoyed this sneak peek, you can check out the full-length routine and the entire 7-day Adore Your Core program over in the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this workout and over 500 more full-length routines, both equipment and non-equipment, mat work, reformer sessions, programs and challenges. Whatever you're looking for, you're going to find it there. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.